In this video, I am going to show you how to select your microphone with Audacity for recording. The process of selecting a microphone for recording is quite easy in Audacity. Go to Audio Setup and select Recording Device. You will see all your connected microphone in the list, and one microphone will have a tick mark beside it. The tick mark denotes that this microphone is selected for recording. So if you record anything now, this microphone will be used for recording. If you want to select another microphone for recording, you click on its name and that microphone will be selected for recording. I changed my microphone to Scarlett 2i2 USB, and if I check the recording device now, you can see that tick mark is beside the Scarlett 2i2 USB. So selecting a microphone in Audacity as simple as this, but there is one catch. I have connected a USB microphone, a Samsung microphone in my computer, but that is not showing in the list. This happens when you connect the microphone while Audacity was open. There are two solutions of this problem. You can either close Audacity and open it again, and then you will see that microphone, or you can use the rescan audio devices options. If you rescan audio devices, then Audacity will search for any newly connected microphone and then it will show it on the list. I'll rescan the audio devices. If I go to recording device again, I can see that the Samsung C01U Pro mic is appearing on the list. This is my USB microphone, and if I click on it, then this microphone will be selected. Selecting a microphone is quite easy in Audacity, but I see another problem. When I move away from the recording device, I cannot see which microphone is actually selected now. There is an option in the view toolbars that will keep the microphone always in front of our eyes. You go to view toolbars and select the device toolbar. A new toolbar appears and you can see which microphone is selected. So it is the Samsung C01U Pro mic, and if you want to change microphone, the process is same. You click on the name of that microphone and that will be selected. So that was how you select a USB microphone for recording. If you have connected any XLR microphone to your computer, then the process is quite similar. But when you connect a XLR microphone, the name does not appear directly. For example, I have a Sennheiser microphone connected in my computer, but that is not showing. It is showing as Scarlett 2i2 USB. Because an XLR microphone is connected through an audio interface, and it will show you the audio interface name. I can now select the Scarlett 2i2 USB, and my XLR microphone is now selected for recording. Depending on the microphone type, you can see the options of recording channel. For Scarlett 2i2, I get two options, mono and stereo. For voice recording, mono is fine. If I switch to the Samsung mic, then I will see only one recording channel. It is the mono. So depending on the which type of microphone or which kind of audio interface or which kind of mixer you are using, you can get multiple options for recording channel. But for voice recording, mono recording channel is fine and it should be used by default. I have couple of courses on Udemy about audio learning and Audacity learning. So if you are trying to learn Audacity as a beginner, you can take my Audacity as a beginner course, or you can take the audio cleanup course. Audio cleanup course actually discusses the idea of how to produce crystal clear audio in general. It mainly shows use of Audacity, but I also have some chapters showing the use of Adobe Audition and using the latest AI software. I suggest you visit the course link in the description, and I think you will find something useful for you. Thanks for watching.